Hi guys. This is Miss Hayes again, and I am going over our assignment. I know I went over it a little bit in class, but I want to make sure you can go back to my directions. So, we have three parts to today's assignment. It's all kind of introduction to me and you guys. So, we have this digital science notebook cover page. We have a little scavenger hunt where you're finding some information about me or my class, and you have to give me information about you. All right, so I showed you this, but in case you didn't see it, in Classroom, we have a digital notebook assignment. It does say you're going to be working on this through the first month of school, so you're going to get more directions on the rest of it. We are only looking at the unit cover page, so just slide 1. Don't worry about anything after slide 1. And these are our direction in this blue box. So you are going to type your name and period right here. You can change the font. I don't care. Make it however you want to make it. You need 3 or more pictures related to science. It's okay if it's not about harvesting human energy. I don't think you really understand what that unit means until we get into it. And then 3 or more images that are important to you or let me know something about you. If you're comfortable, I would like one of those pictures to be you. I'm not going to post it anywhere. I'm not going to show anybody. It's just so that I am starting to put names to faces because it's really hard doing that digitally. Do you want to show you an example? So this is mine. I really zoomed in on mine. So notice I have 4 science pictures, but that's just me, right? And then the 3 pictures are 3 things that are important to me, family. So I have me and my puppy, my husband and me, and my dad and my brother and me. Okay. So something like that is what you need to do on your notebook. So notice in Classroom, when you open it, it should say your name at the top. I did make a copy for each student. All right, so that is this first slide. And then what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste the link right here so I can just click there to grade it. So that's highlighted there. Okay, the next part, again, 10 points, is our little scavenger hunt. I want you to start looking through the resources I've given you. So I have a website, I have a digital agenda, and I have a syllabus. And these are all linked. So here's the website. The only thing I'm going to point out on the website, gotta move my face, is when you click, so it has home, so home, homeroom, science, there's an arrow down because it has some subpages. So science, there's agenda, notebook, and current resources. And then at the end, there's about Ms. Hayes page and then cool science stuff. So then the agenda, I believe I've already posted in Google Classroom for most of everybody, but here it is. We know we have by week and then by day and by month. And then here is the syllabus. So first page is a lot of general stuff. Second page is more specific. But start to look through those things to answer the questions on the scavenger hunt. All right, so you can just type in the answers in right here. And then the last piece is information about me. So this is where I'm gonna learn about you. And I wanna give some options because we all show information different ways. So you can write me a letter. If you write me a letter in a Google Doc, put the link here. You can create a slideshow. That's what I did and showed you in class. I'll show you what I mean again, but it's also down here if you want an example. Put the link here. If you want to record a video or have another idea of how to share it to me, just either put links here or explain to me where to go look for this because this is a grade. The things that you have to include are your name. Make sure to give me your full name, and then also if you go by something else. Like if you're Alexander and you go by Alex or whatever it is, as long as it's school appropriate. I do want to know who your science teacher was last year, your interests or hobbies, and or you can tell me what you've been doing during quarantine to keep busy. And most importantly, finish the sentence. If people knew me, they would know, and tell me what I need to know about you. Again, my examples right here. I also have it open in one of my 10 zillion tabs up here. Oh, that's not it. This one's it. All right. So again, mine has more than you need, but it does have like, I didn't have a science teacher last year, but I have education history, hobbies and interest. If you know me, you would know. And then I have an extra slide. All right. That is the assignment. As always, email me, message me if you have any questions about this. But I will see you guys soon.